Hi guys, I'm just gonna make a quick video before the people who are fixing the fence out in front of my craft room come back. They went to pick up some supplies. So I just got some things in from Diamond Press from the Teal Tuesday sale. I had ordered some binders, and I think one of them or two of them are the embossing folder organizer and then just another regular binder. And so those came in right before I took Miranda to my mom's house. So I haven't been able to do the haul with that. And that's all I have right now to show you guys. And it kind of led me to give you a heads up in case you're not subscribed to Diamond Press's newsletters. They're going to have a Facebook Live to introduce 4 new products that they're going to be having on mydiamondpress.com. So real quickly, the items I got are from mydiamondpress.com. I believe at least the embossing folder is sold out. Embossing folder organizer is sold out. But you guys know when you use the code VCDP, it gives you 10% off, and it's an affiliate code. So that means I'll make a small commission when you use that code. So there's that info. But I will show you those things. If you are not signed up for Diamond Press's newsletter, then that means this morning you didn't get an email from them about the Facebook Live that they have coming up on the 30th at 7 p.m. Eastern. So 4 p.m. my time out here in California. They're going to do a Facebook Live, which they also do on their YouTube channel here, and that's where I usually catch up with you guys, chat there with you all. And they're going to introduce those new items, and it sounds like they're going to have a guest designer to talk with, a gentleman, so that's going to be fun, with Beth, of course, she'll be presenting. So if you guys want to check that out and see the new items, and I'll show you a quick peek of what I made with some of these new items, because in the email blast in the newsletter, there's already some images, so that's what I made. All right, real quick. It'll be, it's a fun, really sweet card, and so I'll have that video ready to go for you guys after they introduce the items, because of course they're not going to be on the site until they launch, right around the time of the Facebook Live. Again, June 30th, just in a couple days here, 7 p.m. Eastern. And so let me open this up. Is there anything else? I'm trying to think if there's any other little updates. Yeah, no, these guys are replacing my fence in the front, like literally right outside this window. So when they left and stopped hammering, I was like, oh, let me make a quick video. Oh, you know what? I got a little bit sidetracked. I'm going to edit. It's probably going to be a rough edit. What I was going to say is, if you're not signed up for Diamond Press's newsletter, you want to go to mydiamondpress.com. That is also where they're going to be having the new items, right, like I mentioned. So when you go to mydiamondpress.com, you can sign up for their newsletter, and that way you get their email blasts. This will be the video for today, unless they finish up early, which I doubt. Let's see. Okay, this is a Diamond Press binder with 6-page inserts in gold. I think the other ones I have teal ones. They have it usually in dark blue. They have all these different colors, but this one I picked up in gold. Let's check it out. And I have to show you this to you guys because I know people ask a lot of times what size the binder is that's on their website, and I don't really know, but I know that they carry 2 different sizes, basically. So this is a big boy. This is the one that was on the site right now. Again, I'll have the link. Hopefully it's not sold out, but you can see it's the big guy. Kind of, if you ever picked up their Celebrations kit a long time ago when they brought it to HSN, it was in a big binder like this. And then they have a smaller binder. It's kind of buried behind some stuff. I have a few of them behind me here. That's probably about this size. So this is a big boy. And so it'll hold your huge stamp sets, and it came with 6 pockets, which is really awesome. Love that, because this will hold anything. I know sometimes some sets are a little bit bigger, some are a little bit smaller, so sometimes they won't fit in the smaller one. Usually what happens when they don't fit in the smaller pockets, I just trim down the carrier of the stamp sheet, and then I take the dies obviously off that paper, and then it fits. So that's kind of how I make that work. If for some reason I have a stamp set that's just a little bit too big. Okay, and then I bought 2 of these. And I know a lot of you guys are already getting in your Teal Tuesday. I need to show you all my info there, but this is sweet. On the bottom of my little receipt there, they wrote, "We love you, Vianney." Aww. Thank you. That's so sweet. All right. This is the embossing folder storage binder in like a teal color. I was very curious of this. Ooh, these are big pockets. So it can hold basically any size. And honestly, you can put whatever you want in here. It doesn't have to just be embossing folders. I mean, you can put stamps in here. You can put die sets. So those are larger pockets. And then over here, these are like divided pockets. And so I thought they were all going to be like this. So that's pretty cool, actually. Ooh, I like that. And these are double-sided. Very cool. And I picked up 2 of them, so I have 2 of them here. So I will definitely move into these very soon here with a lot of my embossing folders and fun things. All right, guys, so that's it. So yeah, keep an eye out on June 30th, and then right after they do their live, I'll have some videos rolling for you guys to check out too. So thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.